Hello world, welcome back to my channel. My name's Paul. We're on our way from Galle to Colombo today. We're going to take a couple of days to get to Colombo, take it nice and easy. We've got a resort booked. For those of you who've been following me, you know that we booked a Thailand holiday before COVID. And when COVID happened, they cancelled it and gave us credit. So we got a couple of nights. I've had a few hotels around the world on that credit, and Janet and I have booked the last 2 nights of the trip at a really nice hotel. Now, the reason I did my intro here is, if you look out here guys, there's a very distinct line from dark blue to light blue. So when the big tsunami happened, all that light blue would have, the water would have just disappeared, and none of the locals, nobody knew what was going on. You saw in Thailand all the tourists walking up the beach going, what's going on? And people would have gone out there collecting shellfish and everything, thinking, oh, this is great. And in the dark blue bit, they would have just seen this little thing rolling in that wouldn't have looked like anything, but when it got to that light bit, it suddenly would have been a 2 or 3 meter wall of water that just would have destroyed everything here in its path. Very, very scary to think. Well, we got about an hour out of Colombo, and I pulled over and said, Janet, do you want to drive for another hour and book another night at this resort, at this hotel? She didn't even flinch. She said, yes, do it. So, good old Luxury Escapes, guys. Look where we are. I think this is maybe 120 a night US normally, but thanks to Luxury Escapes, it was just off our credit. And look where we are. You'll just have to, oh no, GoPro's already adjusted to the light. This is an amazing camera, I keep saying it. But yes, this is Colombo. Amazing, guys. And we get a free city tour as part of our package. So, and the famous night markets, well, food is just up the road here, maybe a kilometre. So we'll head up there and eat something tonight. And yeah guys, good old Luxury Escapes, but sadly it's the end of my credit. And the guys, all you people that have watched me for a while will know that I've stayed in some pretty nice places around Asia thanks to Luxury Escapes, but this one I think is the best so far. So every vlog on Colombo that's ever been done includes this, all the food stalls all along here. And from what I've seen in other things, there are some pretty delicious food along here. So we're going to go and have a look, watch the sunset. Our hotel, I thought our hotel was right here, but no, that was a bit of a drive, wasn't it, baby? Yes, so we're going to go and look at some Sri Lankan street food and watch the sunset. And our first taste are these prawn cakes, and they've still got the shell on and everything, which I'm a bit iffy about, but try it, Janet. Tell us what it's like. I've seen lots of people eat these. Is it good? This time Janet's having a crab, and I'm having one of my favourite savoury donuts. Taste it, baby. Tell me what it's like.
Not yet. It's hot.
Oh, it's too hot. We'll try that. We'll tell you what it's like later. Look at this, guys. Sadly, it's cloudy today, so we didn't get a sunrise. But we're at this hotel for 3 nights. This is our first night. Oh, now I've said that, the GoPro's making it look really good. So we're at here for 3 nights, so we'll definitely get a sunset while we're here. I've seen this part of Colombo so many times on video, but I really never expected it to be like this. It's really modern, isn't it, baby? You could be in a modern city. Just incredible. But every one of these food stalls is selling the same thing. If someone had any brains, they'd sell something completely different and everyone would buy off them. Everyone's got the same. The prawns, the crabs, the donuts. We found at Nana's Chef, like I said, if you sold something different, then everyone would go there, and this place is packed. All these tables here, there's twice as many tables at the other side, and we're having a beef stew, we're having a fish You got calamari as well, and some biryani and a butter naan. I'm hungry. Oh, this is just, I'm surprised how amazing this is. Look at that. And he bought this jug and this bowl, and he poured water on our hands to wash our hands. It's like a 5-star restaurant on the beach, isn't it, baby? Plastic table and chairs and 5-star service. And another young YouTuber that I like, Jared Abuela, I'll put his name here. Him and Luke Dumont were both here last year when the economy crashed. They both had to escape the country. It's hard to believe that was about a year ago. Good morning. What an amazing night, guys, and what an incredible breakfast, which I didn't film. We just wanted to have a nice breakfast this morning without the camera, but we've got another 2 nights here, so you'll see the breakfast. Amazing. It's the Marino Beach Hotel. It's quite expensive for backpackers, but because we have the luxury escapes credit I keep talking about, Janet's having a lazy day. She's going to make the most of the room and the swimming pool and things, but I got a bit bored, so go and find a haircut. Well, after a long drive around Colombo, I at last found my hairdresser. I'm just waiting my turn now. Everyone here's waiting, and then I'll be nice, neat and tidy again, and Janet will be happy, or happier anyway. And I'm a new man again. Janet will be happy, I think. We'll find out shortly, because I'm heading back to the hotel now. Oh, I like getting haircuts here. They give you head massages. My hair's still tingling. Oh, sorry squinting, guys, but it really is quite bright. Janet and I are just being lazy this afternoon, enjoying the hotel. We'll go and do some stuff tomorrow, show you around Colombo tomorrow. But for now, I thought I'd put the drone up, show you a bit of stuff. Really quite beautiful here, amazing hotel. It's called the Marino Beach Hotel, so I'm not sure if that's because this is called Marino Beach or that's just the name of the hotel. But anyway, it's all the coast along here. Really beautiful. Well, look at this. This is the roof of our hotel. Just amazing. It's a swimming pool, everyone having a swim, but we're going to try and find some food. So the only shorts I've got are girls' leggings that I wear as thermals when it's cold on the motorbike, and I've cut them off so I can wear them in India. Janet says I'm not allowed to swim in that, but look at this jacuzzi. What a place to sit and look at the world. And this is the amazing breakfast, guys. Oh, this is hot food. Yesterday they had the most amazing fish curry. They've got the little donuts that I love, and these ones are really good. What have they got today? Some more masala dal. Oh, fish curry again, chicken curry again. Yum. And my favourites. Oh, what have they got? And they've got somewhere, oh here, string hoppers, and over here you can get egg hoppers. Just really good. And then we've got our bacon and egg station here. Sausages, bacon and eggs, waffles and pancakes, all these delicious pastries. Just yum. And now we'll go and have a look outside. And there's Janet sitting at the table. We could have sat inside, but it's quite nice out here. Beach. Amazing. And Janet thinks I look like a street person, so we're going to go into this flash looking mall. We'll park the tuk-tuk just over there, and we're going to see if we can find me some new clothes, or some new pants anyway, and a pair of shorts so we can go swimming. I think we picked the wrong mall to find me cheap clothes, because this is the poshest mall. While Janet was doing some other looking around at things, I went into the Rolex store, saw some $20,000 watches, and one that I really liked that was only $7,500 US. So I think we should get 3, baby. place to end today's video. So guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that mad dog icon up there or the subscribe button down below. May as well hit that bell icon while you're down there. I always try and respond to your comments, so leave a comment, give me a big thumbs up, share this video everywhere you can, and we'll see you in the next one.